Hi there. Hola. Today we're going to talk about the saying tener mala leche. Do you know it? Tener mala leche means to have a short temper. Ejemplos. Mi abuelo siempre está de mal humor. Tiene muy mala leche. El gato de Raquel tiene mala leche. Cada vez que nos acercamos a acariciarlo, nos araña. What about the origins of this saying? In the old times when mothers had babies, but they couldn't breastfeed the babies, they used to use a wet nurse, a woman that used to breastfeed the baby for them. And people believed that the milk was very important to determine a baby's personality or character in the future. So they made sure that when they hired a wet nurse, that woman didn't have any psychological issues. She was healthy and she behaved properly because they believed that their milk would affect the baby or that kid in the future.
Say what?
I hope you learned something today. I actually did because I had no idea about this until I did some research. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.